This fallen tree trunk is studded with holes, the work of wood-boring beetles. Their size suggests that they're made by much bigger insects than their equivalent on the Galapagos. The New Caledonian crow, and crows are among the most intelligent of birds. Once again, the sound of a grub gnawing away in its burrow betrays its presence. And once again, since this grub hunter hasn't got the long tongue of a woodpecker, a tool is needed. To contact this grub, the stick will have to be thrust in really deeply. A spectacular catch. Some of these crows become so attached to one particular tool that they carry it about with them. This log is clearly a good source of grubs, and a whole group of crows have come here to feed. Their technique is neither to stab nor to harpoon, but something more subtle, to irritate. This grub has got big jaws, and if attacked, it can give a powerful bite. And that's what the crows rely on. A younger bird joins an experienced adult to see how things are done. Now the pupil has a chance. It hasn't got all the details exactly right. It will be about a year before it masters the skill.